Hi guys, time for a new video. Today I will be doing a video about expanding. So basically when you're expanding, you're going from factored form which is y equals to x minus r and x minus s to standard form. There will also be a video how to go from standard form to factored form, but to go from factored form to standard form, and remember standard form is y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're basically going to go from this form, and we're going to expand everything in the brackets, and then we're going to go to this form. Let's do an example. Let's do e minus 5 and e plus 6. So basically what I mean by expanding is basically we're multiplying everything in the brackets. So e will be multiplied by e, and e will also be multiplied by 6. Negative 5 will be multiplied by e, and negative 5 will also be multiplied by 6. I'm sorry, that's messy. I should have done it this way. So e will be multiplied by e and 6. So everything in the brackets gets multiplied by each other. So let's start off. Okay, so e multiplied by e gives us e squared. E multiplied by 6 gives us 6e, so plus 6e. Negative 5 multiplied by e gives us negative 5e. And negative 5 multiplied by 6 gives us negative 30. So now we're going to have to simplify it because do you see standard form is only 3 terms, but this is 4 terms. How do you do that? You collect like terms. So what's similar in this equation? Okay, there's e squared. Do you see another e squared? No. There's 30. Is there another 30 or any other numbers without a variables to it? No. But there is 6e and there's 5e. So we can add these like terms. So these two like terms can be added. So it's multiplying, and it's actually subtracting in our case. 6e minus 5e equals to 1e, but we don't have to put the e, 1e in front of the e. We can just write e. So it's going to be e squared plus e minus 30. And there you go. You have your final product. So see, before it was in factored form, e minus 5, e plus 6. We distributed e to both numbers in the second brackets, and we also distributed negative 5 to the numbers in the second brackets. And when we did that, we got this, and then we collected like terms, and we got our final answer. So we changed it from factored form to standard form. Let's do another example, but this time there will be a number in front of the brackets. So let's do example number 2. Let's do 5 x plus 4 x plus 6. In this case, everything is a little different from what we did before. In this, the 5 will be multiplied by in the things in the brackets, by everything in the first brackets only. Then x will be multiplied by everything in the second bracket, and 4 will be multiplied by everything in the second bracket as well. I know it seems like a lot of steps, but it's pretty easy. So let's get started. Okay, 5 multiplied by x gives us 5x. And 5 multiplied by 4 gives us 20. So 5x plus 20. But remember, we only distribute 5 to the first brackets because the 5 is in front of the first brackets, not the second brackets. And then we leave x plus 6 how it is. Now everything over here will be distributed into that. So 5x times x gives us 5x squared. And 5x times 6 gives us 30x. Now 20 times x gives us 20x. And 20 times 6 gives us 120. And like last time, we still have to add like terms. So there is 30 and 20 we can add. So we can add these two. So our final answer should be 5x squared, because that stays the same. 30 plus 20 gives us 50, so plus 50x. And 120 stays the same, so plus 120. And there you go, we have our final answer. So that's basically how you do it. And let's do one more, but this time we will be adding more than one terms. Example number 3. Let's do x plus 3, x plus 5, plus x plus 4, x plus 2. So this isn't that hard as it seems. It's basically everything in this gets distributed into this. And everything in these brackets, so on the other side, it's the same thing. Okay, so let's do this. X times x gives us x squared. X times 5 gives us 5x, so plus 5x. 3 times x gives us 3x, so plus 3x. And this gives us 15. 5 times 3 gives us 15, so plus 15. And now I'm going to put the plus sign, which is this one, in red. Plus x times x, again, gives us x squared. X times 2 gives us 2x. X times 4 gives us 4x. And 4 times 2 gives us 8. And now we have to add like terms like last time. So x squared plus 8x plus 15. And then remember, I'm going to put that again in red. And x squared plus 2 plus 4 is 6, so 6x plus 8. And now all we have to do is the same as last time, add like terms, and we get our final answer. So at the end, we add x squared plus x squared, which gives us 2x squared, 8x plus 6x, which gives us 14x, and 15 plus 8 gives us 23. So there you have it. We have our final answer. So let's recap what we learned. We were learning about expanding, and it's the same. It's basically factored form into standard form. What you do is basically expand everything in the first bracket to everything in the second bracket. So you're multiplying all the numbers in this bracket with all the numbers in the second bracket. When there's a number in front of the brackets, they get distributed to the bracket that it's in front of. So 5 was in front of the first bracket, so 5 would get distributed to everything in that first bracket. And everything in the first bracket gets distributed into the second bracket. When you have an example like this, you're basically doing the same thing, and then you're adding the like terms, and you're simplifying it to do this, and then you add the like terms, and you get your final answer. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.